How to view blocked contacts on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view blocked contacts on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp, and here first thing you need to do is just click these 3 points and stop, and after you click on it, here you will see settings. Click on it and then just click account, and here click privacy and scroll down. Here you will find it, blocked contacts. Just click on it and you can view your blocked contacts on WhatsApp. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.